Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel, Smooth English Talks. I hope you are doing well and having a wonderful day. In today's video, we are going to practice very easy daily life English questions and answers. These questions are simple, natural, and very useful for everyday conversations. If you want to improve your English speaking, this practice will help you a lot. Please listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to speak with me. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. So, let's begin our practice.
What is your name?
My name is David.
How are you today?
I am fine today.
Where do you live?
I live in Bangladesh.
What do you do?
I work online.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I am a little busy today.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy today.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a family.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have a daughter.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning English.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, I drink water.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I usually drink tea.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, sometimes I check my phone.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I exercise.
Do you go outside in the morning?
Sometimes I go outside.
Do you work every day?
Yes, I work almost every day.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work from home.
Do you use a computer?
Yes, I use a computer.
Do you use a mobile phone every day?
Yes, I use it every day.
Do you use the internet?
Yes, I use the internet daily.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, I watch YouTube.
Do you like YouTube?
Yes, I like YouTube.
Do you watch videos every day?
Yes, I watch videos almost every day.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Do you like rice?
Yes, I like rice.
Do you eat rice every day?
Yes, I usually eat rice every day.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like fruits.
Do you drink milk?
Sometimes I drink milk.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
Do you cook food?
Sometimes I cook food.
Do you eat at home?
Yes, I usually eat at home.
Do you like street food?
Yes, sometimes I like street food.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink water many times a day.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch videos and relax.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sometimes I watch TV.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies.
Do you read books?
Yes, sometimes I read books.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media.
Do you like Facebook?
Yes, I use Facebook often.
Do you play games?
Sometimes I play games.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I like taking photos.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I like learning new things.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have some good friends.
Do you talk with your friends every day?
Yes, sometimes I talk with them.
Do you visit your relatives?
Yes, sometimes I visit them.
Do you spend time with your family?
Yes, I spend time with my family.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family very much.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and spend time with my family.
Do you watch videos in the evening?
Yes, sometimes I watch videos.
Do you go outside in the evening?
Sometimes I go outside.
Do you eat dinner with your family?
Yes, I eat dinner with my family.
What do you do at night?
At night, I relax and prepare to sleep.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Do you sleep early?
Sometimes I sleep early.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, I sleep well.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice and fish.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is tea.
What is your favorite day?
My favorite day is Friday.
Do you like rainy weather?
Yes, sometimes I like rainy weather.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I like sunny weather.
Why do you learn English?
I learn English to improve my communication.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I try to practice every day.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch English videos.
Do you listen to English audio?
Yes, sometimes I listen to English audio.
Do you speak English with friends?
Sometimes I speak English with friends.
Do you like coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I like chocolate.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
Do you like cold weather?
Sometimes I like cold weather.
Do you like hot weather?
Sometimes it feels uncomfortable.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I am a little busy.
Do you feel tired today?
No, I feel okay.
Do you enjoy your day?
Yes, I enjoy my day.
Do you smile often?
Yes, I try to smile often.
Do you like helping people?
Yes, I like helping people.
Do you like your life?
Yes, I like my life.
Do you try to stay positive?
Yes, I try to stay positive.
Do you learn something new every day?
Yes, I try to learn something new.
Do you like peaceful places?
Yes, I like peaceful places.
Do you enjoy simple life?
Yes, I enjoy a simple life.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I like my home.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean my room.
Do you help your family?
Yes, I help my family.
Do you like your country?
Yes, I love my country.
Are you proud of your country?
Yes, I am proud of my country.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I like meeting new people.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, I enjoy learning.
Do you like simple conversations?
Yes, simple conversations are good.
Do you practice speaking often?
Yes, I try to practice often.
Are you improving your English?
Yes, I am improving slowly.
Do you feel confident speaking English?
I am becoming more confident.
Will you continue learning English?
Yes, I will continue learning English.
So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope these daily life questions and answers helped you practice English in a simple and comfortable way. I hope the questions were easy to understand and the answers were helpful for your speaking practice. Remember, learning English is not about speaking perfectly. It is about speaking little by little every day. Small practice every day can create big confidence in the long run. Even if you practice for just 5 or 10 minutes daily, you will slowly become more confident. Your vocabulary will grow, your sentences will become clearer, and speaking will feel more natural. One day you will notice that speaking English is no longer difficult for you. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are a normal and important part of learning any language. Every mistake teaches you something new and helps you improve. The more mistakes you make, the more you learn and grow. Try to listen to English every day. Try to speak a little every day. Try to think in English whenever possible. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Your progress may feel slow sometimes, but small steps taken every day create big improvement over time. Success in language learning comes from patience and regular practice. Always remember that confidence grows with practice. The more you practice speaking, the more comfortable you will feel. Slow progress is still progress, and every step forward is important. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Your support helps this channel grow and helps more people learn English easily. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to Smooth English Talks and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming English learning videos. On this channel, we practice simple English, daily conversations, speaking practice, useful sentences, and easy learning techniques.
Our goal is to help you speak English clearly, confidently, and naturally. Thank you so much for watching and practicing with me. I truly appreciate your time and support. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep moving forward. Your English will improve step by step. See you in the next video with more easy and helpful English practice. Goodbye and take care. Have a wonderful day and keep smiling.